Hello. In today's video, we'll be reviewing how to send out meeting invites from Outlook and Teams. Starting with Outlook, there's a couple of different ways to send invites. So the first way, if you take a look at your top left, you'll see a button that says New Items. You can click the drop down there and then select Meeting. At that point, you just want to fill out who you're setting up the meeting with, what the subject of that meeting would be, and then a location if you happen to be meeting in person or remote. Maybe you're doing a Zoom call, so just fill that out. And then set your start time and end time. Let's say we're going to be meeting on the 16th at 1 p.m. You can click on there. And at this point, I want to make sure that the method of communication is clear. How will we be meeting? Am I calling them? How does all that work? So I'll say something like, hey, I'll give you a call on your cell to discuss this meeting. At that point, I can put in my signature. If this meeting had any kind of additional documents or anything, I could then attach that to this meeting invite, but since this is a fake meeting, that's not needed. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and click Send. That gives them the opportunity to approve or decline that meeting. You'll get a confirmation with their response. The other way you can send a meeting invite out is by right-clicking on the taskbar there for Outlook, and there should be a new meeting option. If you click on that, it's going to open up the same kind of window where you just fill out that information and send that invite. The last way to do it is if you already have a calendar entry going for a meeting that you want to have, you can right-click and do Invite Attendees. And then when you do it this way, it's going to pre-fill some of this information. So all I have to do is put in the person I'm sending it to. It's already got a subject line and location. I may want to update that if it's not accurate, and it'll already fill the start end times on there. So I can just put in a message. I'll call cell to discuss. Once I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and send. This isn't an actual meeting, so I'll go ahead and close this. And that's all of the ways to do it in Outlook. The other way to do it is going to be from Teams. So in Teams, there's two different ways. You can either click the drop down here and just select Schedule Meeting, and this will be from the Calendar section in Teams. And then we can give this a title, put in the email address of the person I'm trying to meet with, click on Invite, and then set the date and time for that there. I could add a channel if that was necessary, or a location, and then just the info that's needed. Hey, you be available for a Teams meeting to discuss next steps on projects. Once you're happy with all that, you can go ahead and click on Send. And then alternatively, you can also just go ahead and open up an entry, and from there, just go ahead and put in the information for the person that you want to meet with. Invite, and then you would just click on Send Update. You may want to modify some stuff here if you want to put some different information in the body, or if any of this information is not correct. If you have any issues or any questions, you can reach us at 210-798-0889, option 1. You can send an email to service@getsecuretech.com or send us a text message to 830-742-0770. Thank you.